Today, we'll delve into a vital topic for those facing the daily challenge of diabetes. Super beverages that not only tantalize the taste buds but also serve as allies in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Understanding how to choose the right beverages can make all the difference in effectively managing this condition, impacting not only physical health but also the quality of life for those living with diabetes. In this video, I invite you to explore a variety of carefully selected options, from refreshing smoothies to comforting tonics, each designed not only to delight your senses but also to nourish your body in a way that promotes well-being and metabolic stability. Conscious beverage choices can play a significant role in maintaining adequate blood glucose levels, preventing spikes and dips that can negatively impact long-term health. So, get ready for a journey of discovery as we unveil not just 1, 2, or 3, but 10 super beverages that are not only delicious but also contribute to a healthier lifestyle for those living with diabetes. By the end of this video, I hope you feel inspired and empowered to make choices that support effective diabetes management and promote a fulfilling, healthy life. Let's embark on this journey together and uncover the power of super beverages for blood sugar control. Number 1. Green Smoothie. Let's kick off with a classic green smoothie, a refreshing option packed with essential nutrients for those aiming to keep blood sugar levels in check. This smoothie is a true health powerhouse, combining a variety of potent ingredients such as spinach, kale, and green apples. Spinach and kale, rich in fiber and antioxidants, provide a solid foundation for this beverage, helping to regulate blood sugar absorption and promote satiety. Additionally, green apples add a subtle touch of sweetness without overloading with added sugars. With each sip of this green smoothie, you're not only treating your taste buds but also nourishing your body with vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients essential for optimal health. So, give your day an energy boost with this vibrant and delicious smoothie, which will not only satisfy your cravings but also benefit your long-term health. Number 2. Berry Blast. Get ready for a burst of flavor and nutrition with our next beverage, the Berry Blast. This vibrant and delicious smoothie is a true feast for the senses, packed with juicy strawberries, sweet blueberries, and refreshing raspberries. But beyond its irresistible taste, this Berry Blast offers a host of benefits for those seeking to maintain effective diabetes control. These little fruits are true nutritional powerhouses, loaded with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber that work together to stabilize blood sugar levels and promote healthy digestion. Strawberries, for example, are rich in vitamin C and inflammation-fighting antioxidants, while blueberries are known for their antioxidant content and anti-inflammatory properties. Together, these ingredients form a delicious and functional smoothie that not only satisfies the craving for something sweet, but also delivers a burst of health benefits. So, take a step towards a healthier lifestyle with this Berry Blast, and discover how pleasure and health can blend into a single beverage. Number 3. Turmeric Latte. Turmeric, a spice revered for centuries for its healing properties, takes the spotlight in this comforting latte. Known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, turmeric can not only help reduce inflammation in the body but has also been linked to improvements in heart health, brain function, and even skin health. For those managing diabetes, turmeric offers specific benefits by aiding in improving insulin sensitivity and reducing blood glucose levels. Studies suggest that curcumin, the primary active compound in turmeric, may play a crucial role in regulating sugar levels, making this latte a smart choice for those seeking balance and control in their diet. When combined with warm almond milk, which is naturally low in calories and lactose-free, turmeric transforms into a wellness elixir. Almond milk adds a creamy texture and a mild flavor, further enriching the sensory experience. To top it off, a dash of cinnamon not only enhances the flavor with its natural sweetness but also contributes its own blood sugar regulating properties, creating a perfect synergy of functional ingredients. Number 4. Cucumber and Mint Refresher. This unique combination of simple yet powerful ingredients is a true treasure for those looking to maintain blood sugar levels under control and promote optimal health. Cucumber, with its high water content and low calorie count, is a smart choice for maintaining hydration and satiety, crucial factors for effective diabetes management. Additionally, cucumbers are rich in fiber and have a low glycemic index, helping to prevent blood glucose spikes after meals. Mint, on the other hand, not only adds a refreshing and invigorating touch but is also known for its digestive and soothing properties, potentially helping to alleviate common gastrointestinal discomfort symptoms among people with diabetes. Mint contains antioxidant compounds that help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, factors that can complicate diabetes control. Together, these ingredients create a beverage that is both refreshing and functional, promoting an overall sense of well-being. Number 5. Apple Cider Vinegar Tonic. Apple cider vinegar has been widely studied for its potential benefits in reducing blood sugar levels and improving insulin sensitivity, making it a valuable addition to the daily routine of those managing this condition. When consuming apple cider vinegar, the acetic acids present help slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, resulting in slower sugar absorption into the bloodstream and preventing glucose spikes after meals. This effect can be particularly beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes, who often struggle to maintain stable glucose levels. To prepare this revitalizing tonic, start by mixing 1 or 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar into a glass of cold water. Add fresh lemon slices, which not only enhance the flavor but also provide an extra dose of vitamin C and antioxidants, helping to strengthen the immune system and reduce inflammation. A touch of honey can be added to soften the taste, but in moderation, especially for those who need to monitor sugar intake. Honey also brings its own benefits, including antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Number 6. Ginger tea. Ginger, an aromatic root known for its medicinal properties for millennia, is a true health gem. Ginger tea is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes due to its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. Studies indicate that the bioactive compounds in ginger, such as gingerol, can improve insulin sensitivity, facilitating the efficient use of glucose by the body's cells. This effect is crucial for avoiding sharp spikes and drops in blood sugar levels, promoting glycemic stability that is essential for effective diabetes management. Preparing ginger tea is simple and involves grating or slicing fresh ginger and adding it to boiling water. Let the mixture steep for a few minutes to release the essential oils and beneficial compounds of ginger. For an extra touch of flavor and health benefits, consider adding a slice of lemon or a pinch of cinnamon. Lemon not only enriches the flavor with its refreshing acidity but also adds a dose of vitamin C, while cinnamon brings its own blood sugar regulating properties, creating a perfect synergy of functional ingredients. Number 7. Beet juice. Beetroot is a true nutritional powerhouse, packed with natural nitrates that have been shown to improve blood circulation and reduce blood pressure. These nitrates are converted into nitric oxide in the body, helping to relax and dilate blood vessels, which can improve cardiovascular health, an aspect that is often compromised in individuals with diabetes. Additionally, beet juice is a rich source of fiber, which plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels by slowing down glucose absorption and preventing abrupt spikes. To maximize the benefits, we combine beetroots with carrots and oranges, creating a beverage that is not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. Carrots add natural sweetness and are rich in beta-carotene, an antioxidant that helps improve eye health, which can be affected by diabetes. Oranges, on the other hand, provide a burst of vitamin C and antioxidants, which strengthen the immune system and help combat inflammation. This harmonious combination not only enriches the flavor but also creates a complete nutritional profile, supporting multiple aspects of health. Number 8. Lemon water. Lemon, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, helps strengthen the immune system, fight inflammation, and reduce oxidative stress, which can exacerbate diabetes complications. Additionally, the vitamin C present in lemon promotes healthy skin, aids in iron absorption, and contributes to tissue repair and growth. Adding lemon to water not only enhances the flavor, making it a more enjoyable alternative to sugary drinks, but can also help improve digestion. The citric acid in lemons stimulates stomach acid production, which can help better break down food and facilitate nutrient absorption. Efficient digestion is crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels, avoiding glycemic spikes after meals. The soluble fiber found in lemon, especially in its peel, can help slow down the digestion of sugars and starches, providing more effective glycemic control. To prepare this revitalizing beverage, simply squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of cold or warm water. For an extra touch of flavor and health benefits, you can add a few lemon slices to the pitcher, further infusing the nutrients into the liquid. This simple ritual can be easily incorporated into your morning routine, helping kickstart the day with a dose of hydration and nutrition. Number 9. Coconut water. Coconut water is known to be an excellent source of natural electrolytes such as potassium, magnesium, and sodium, which help maintain the body's fluid balance and prevent dehydration, a common concern among people with diabetes. Staying well hydrated is crucial for overall health and insulin effectiveness, helping regulate blood sugar levels and facilitate digestion. In addition to its hydrating ability, coconut water has a low calorie and sugar content compared to many other beverages, making it an ideal option for those who need to monitor carbohydrate intake and avoid glycemic spikes. Its low glycemic index means that coconut water is absorbed more slowly by the body, providing a gradual release of energy and helping maintain stable blood sugar levels. This characteristic is particularly beneficial for preventing hyperglycemia and supporting effective diabetes management. Coconut water is also rich in antioxidants that combat free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, factors that can contribute to diabetic complications. These antioxidants help protect the body's cells from damage and promote cardiovascular health, a crucial aspect for people with diabetes. Number 10. Chia Seed Smoothie. Chia seeds, small but powerful, are a rich source of soluble and insoluble fibers, which play a crucial role in stabilizing blood sugar levels. When consumed, chia seeds form a gel in the digestive tract, slowing down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, which helps prevent glycemic spikes after meals. This characteristic is particularly beneficial for people with diabetes as it promotes a gradual and steady release of energy, keeping glucose levels stable. To prepare this nutritious smoothie, start by adding a tablespoon of chia seeds to a blender, followed by fresh fruits such as strawberries, blueberries, or bananas, which bring natural sweetness and are rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Complete with almond milk or another plant-based milk of your choice for a creamy and healthy base. These super beverages for diabetes offer a variety of delicious and healthy options to help manage diabetes. Each one has been carefully selected for its specific properties that contribute to stabilizing blood sugar levels and promoting overall health. By incorporating these beverages into your daily routine, you're making proactive choices to support your well-being and manage your condition effectively. Choose your favorites and start enjoying the benefits today. Remember, small changes in diet can make a big difference in your long-term health. By opting for these nutritious and flavorful beverages, you're taking an important step towards a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and special recipes. Join our community and embark on this journey towards lasting well-being. So, here's to a healthier future and savor every sip towards your wellness.